So to play dance floor, click start game or tap on it, and you basically have to repeat the order these rectangle are being highlighted. So we just saw this rectangle being highlighted. Let's tap on it. That takes us to the next round. Each new round has one extra step. So in our case, we just saw this rectangle and this one. The order is important, so just tap on the first one and second one. Okay, level 3 is gonna have 3 taps. So this one, and this one. That's correct. And the taps maintain their order from level to level. But if the game ends, the order is going to be different. Okay, that's going to take us to level 5. Now let's pick a wrong rectangle or a wrong color. Let's go with this one. So the game is going to end. Now if we try again, the pattern is going to be different. Basically, the order is going to be different. It's not going to be identical to the first round. So that's the way you play it, and